So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to draw a kite with me? This is gonna be so much fun. To draw a kite, there's many different shapes, but you and I are gonna draw a diamond-shaped kite. Okay, I'm gonna take the color red. You can use any color you want, because kites are so colorful. And let's draw a diamond. See those four sides? Just like that. And then I'm gonna take the color blue and draw a vertical line, just like that. And then a horizontal line. And I'm gonna take a new color, the color green, and make a tail. Woohoo, yeah! You know how some have really long tails? Yeah, that just fly in the wind. Whoa! And then I'm gonna take the color black. And what do you hold on to? Yeah, you hold on to a handle, and that handle has a very long string. And when the kite is so high in the air, yeah, you're holding on to it. Woohoo! So let's draw that string. Woohoo! Yeah, all the way down to the ground with the handle. There we go. Wow, that was so much fun drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.